What's up, my beautiful people? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are highly and most welcome. Hope you are safe wherever you are. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a great remedy that would help you to firm up your skin, a seed that would reform your skin, and a seed that would help you to transform your skin. Yeah, alright, so if you want to know all of the full ingredients to this natural and effective home remedy, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and yeah, share, and let me walk you through into this video. To get that glass looking polished skin, guys, you're going to be needing to use banana. Now banana is a great moisturizing remedy and also a polishing remedy. Okay, so I'm actually going to be showing you how you're going to be using this banana. Yeah, and it also helps to reduce the size of a large and open pores on the skin. So what you're going to do is that you're going to grab okay, I think one is actually going to be enough. Yeah, so I'm going to be packing that in to the blender, and let's blend this and have this on our skin, guys. Okay guys, so this is it, and it's properly blended. Now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna be transferring that into this bowl, and make sure that your banana is very soft. Yeah, that is when you're gonna be seeing the full effect of this treatment, and this is how soft it is. Yeah, now the next ingredient we're going to be needing is avocado. Now avocado is a great remedy that helps to remove fine lines. It works in removing pigmentations and age related problems. Okay, so using avocado for this treatment is really better. Now since I have a half cut of avocado, I'm actually not gonna be needing too much of it anyways, so I'm gonna be getting a blender, then I'll have to be scooping in the avocado into this blender. Okay, so after that, then we'll have to be blending it also. Okay, and this is well blended, and we're gonna be turning that into the bowl also. So now I will then have to mix it up really good. And this is how it's gonna look like. Now we equally need olive oil for this remedy, because olive oil is great for the skin. It helps to reduce the size of an open pores. It also helps to glow and polish up the skin. So we're gonna be putting in some drops of it. And then we'll mix it all up. And this is it. Now the last ingredients here is the okra. Now in this, guys, we're basically going to be needing the okra seed because it's actually very beneficial in tightening up the skin and in also making the skin look really rejuvenated and young. Okay, now for this we're going to be needing just the okra seed. Now another way of extracting it is by pressing it, and then we'll just be extracting just the seed. Okay, so I'm actually gonna be extracting, so I'm gonna be doing it this way, just my finger, you know, into it, and it gives me plenty of it. Alright, so let me go behind the camera and extract more of this okra seed, and I'll be back. So this is the okra seed, yeah, and this is how it looks like. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be turning that into a blender. Now the same blender I use in blending avocado, I'm going to be putting in just a little bit of water. And then I would have to blend it. And this is it. Okay, so this is the blended okra seed. Turn everything into this mix, and then we mix it all up together. And this is the treatment, and this is really good. Okay, so for you to have that glass looking skin and a shiny skin, you are going to be making use of okra seed. Now you can apply this treatment on your skin any day you feel like. Okay, there's no restriction for this because it's very mild and gentle, and it's perfect for all skin type. Okay guys, so have you actually tried this thing before, okra seed onto your skin? Now make sure, smells really good. Now make sure to go and refrigerate it, because I just finished refrigerating mine, and this is how it looks like, because I've kept it for like 10 minutes or thereabout into the refrigerator. And I'm going to stir it again. I'm going to stir it to mix everything all up, yeah. And that is it. Okay guys, oh my goodness, it smells good. Try this out. Use the seed. So I'm gonna be using a brush, and use a brush, pack all of this goodness onto your skin. Oh my god, this is actually really soft, you know. So you have to apply this. This is a great moisturizing remedy for your skin. Apply it generously. Okay, so wow, after this is done, guys, you're going to be loving it. Yeah, you are gonna be loving it because it's gonna be really, really cool, really, really smooth, and really, really, it smells really nice. Like, I'm loving it. So after you've applied this, then you wait for a little while. While you wait, you just give it this, this kind of massage, like not really like scrubbing, like you're literally just massaging your skin with this, okay? But really just using it to just push up your skin up, push up your skin up. You push it up with your hands, okay? So you're really not scrubbing, but you are massaging. So if there's any line, you push it up just with a little force, because the treatment is going to do its job. So you don't need to force it too much. Yeah. Okay, so after which you've done this, then you can either apply it again, which I might just use my hand. I'm loving the few, and just apply it again because I'm gonna be waiting for like 2-3 minutes. So I need everywhere to be covered with this great ingredients. I need everywhere to be covered with these great ingredients. So after you've done that, then you wait for 3-4 minutes, and then you go wash your face with a lukewarm water or a normal water, and then after you use a toilet soap, like a very, very mild toilet soap. Do not use all of this harsh soap. Trust me, guys, you're not going to be liking it on your skin. So use a very mild soap and you're going to be loving it. Yeah. Okay, so that's it, guys. Whenever I use an ingredient that I love so much, I am usually very, very excited, and it does work like magic. Okay, so follow all of the instructions in it and you are going to be loving all of it, and how it's going to be working really well on the skin. And do not forget to refrigerate it, because that is very, very important. All right, so yeah, having said and done all of that, I'll see you soon in my next video. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share the video, and I'll see you again. Ciao, bye.